asparagus and broccoli tart with fontina and ricotta. You want to make the crust ahead. 320 grams of all-purpose flour, 95 grams of potato starch will keep it light, 15 grams of sugar, and 6 grams of salt. And before you put that whisk away, get a couple of eggs ready. In goes your cold butter. I don't like the machina for this. I like to work the butter through my fingertips, like Nonna. The difference between pie dough and pâte brisée is the eggs. Start adding ice cold water. I start with 100 grams and go from there. Our goal is to add just enough moisture to bring it together and not overwork it. Like that. And just like pie dough, this dough needs to chill in the fridge, wrapped tightly in plastic, and squish it. You're actually helping the dough hydrate by squishing it and giving it a good slap. And you're working out your anger issues. If you don't want your shell to shrink, you gotta let that dough hydrate properly in the fridge. This part I know you know. Add a little flour, roll, and twist. Seriously, look at the butter there. F***ing beautiful. I like that. That looks good. She's going in. That's it. Let that dough fall into the edge. Remember, it's gonna shrink a little no matter what you do. Trim off a little of the excess. That's how you want it. And as usual, beans or rice or something for pie weights. That should be done in 15 minutes tops. That actually took 25 minutes, but it looks perfect. We gotta let it cool before we can clean up the edge. I wanna extract just the florets, because everybody knows that's the best part. But there's still a ton of flavor here. The shape is just wrong. We're gonna fix that by dicing it up nice. And we need shallots for flavor, so might as well add them too. Florets up on one side, diced on the other. Season it up, a little olive oil. Same goes for the asparagus. And those are going in the oven to roast. A serrated knife and careful strokes will clean up that edge. Like that. Of course, this is held together with eggs. 100 grams of milk and ricotta instead of heavy cream. This isn't a quiche, this is Italian. Keep it classy with salt and white pepper. And you gotta have nutmeg. The build goes diced broccoli at the bottom, asparagus. Make sure you alternate them. Everyone wants the tip, so they tell me. Fill it in. And stud it with broccoli florets and chunks of smooth, creamy fontina. This isn't mozzarella. This cheese has got real flavor. This is going to be a long wait. 350, how long? I don't know yet. Huh. This monster took a full hour. Oh.
Broccoli, asparagus, and fontina. It's a cheesy vegetable pie.
It's a vegetable dish.
The fontina is a lovely little change.
It's all about the cheese.
So good. Chunks of cheese in there.
If you put ricotta and fontina on anything, I'm gonna want it.